companies are putting out their second quarter earnings, I thought it would be a good time to look at what is happening specifically within the e-commerce, sales channel, and how is that comparing to what companies are reporting. So in Q2, e-commerce sales were up 44% year over year. So to put that in perspective, for the last 20 quarters, there has been a 20% increase in sales. So the fact that that more than doubled is a huge, huge number. For instance, July of this year, there were $66.3 billion done online, and that's 55% over July of 2019. By October 5th of this year, we are on pace and tracking to do the same amount of sales that were done in all of 2019. In addition, since March, consumers have spent an additional $94 billion online, or to put that in perspective, from January to July of this year, $434.5 billion in sales have been spent. This is huge. So if you're one of the, online, or if you're one of the furniture companies or home decor companies that haven't yet experienced how to sell online, or you're having pain points and difficulties because you want to do it but you don't know how, and you're kind of curious and what's it all going to take, I really recommend that you go to our website. It's rsgsales.com. Take a look and then click a button to schedule a call, because we would be more than happy to help. So thanks again, and I really appreciate your time.